Alright guys, so Paul Bates here, and today I want to talk about my internet connection. What do I do for internet? How do I live stream my videos living on my trawler full time? And so today I really wanted to show you guys the actual what happens here and the speeds that I get out of the internet. So I'm at the marina right now. I'm at the Aqua Marina, and they have a pretty decent internet connection actually, but it's not great. It's not good enough to stream my videos in the morning. So I have to run and rely on my Moxie, and that's what this video is all about. But here I want to show you what the internet speed is, and I'm going to show you real quick here on, this is hooked up to the dock Wi-Fi, and I'm going to show it to you here real quick. You'll see it. So it's not horrible, but it's not that great. It's actually pretty good this morning because there's not a lot of people on the dock. And that makes a difference too, because how many people are using the Wi-Fi. So that was the upload, and no, that was the download. Now we're testing the upload right here. I got to go through the test here. Okay, now, so you can see that test right here. And so we're going to stop here for a second. And I'm going to switch internets is what I'm going to do. Okay, now I've switched to internets, and we'll see what this one does now. This is hooked up to the Moxie. What a difference there, huh? Wow. It's almost it's not even, it's over twice as fast as the other one. It's actually not that great this morning. It might be due to Hurricane Ida or whatever's going on here. Because usually that'll be somewhere around 30. But you can see right here, it'll say that I have a good fast internet connection, and I can stream off this. The other internets I can't stream off. So your internet connection is fast. Your internet connection should be able to handle multiple devices streaming HD videos at the same time, and that's using the Moxie and the Wi-Fi. Now there is a few things that I had to do for that. So what I currently use is the Moxie right here. Now they have switched what they use for their hotspot. They switched over here, and I'll show you here. They switched to the Turbo Hotspot 2, which I'll look into that, because if that's a bigger upgrade and I'm going to get better speed, I'll talk to my son about that. And if it's an upgrade that's worth it, I'll make the upgrade. It's only $79. And then you buy this piece right here, and then you own that, and then you can pay by the month. And what's really nice about it is their plan is you get 100 gigs of high-speed internet by using this right here for only $50. So it's definitely the cheapest. And my next thought is I may get 2 of these things so that I have 2 different Wi-Fi connections, because Bev likes to watch TV, and it's actually cheaper than doing a lot of different things on the TV. But what happens is on my Moxie right here, I'll show you, is the data I use. Now this is a typical month here, right here, and you can see I have 11 days remaining of high-speed internet, and I've used 31.5, and that's pretty much doing all of my YouTube stuff. Watching my YouTube videos that I watch, doing my classes, stuff like that, my stock trading, everything is done with that, and I only needed 31.5. But when you add Beverly's TV to it, oh my God, it goes up very fast, and that's when I go over. I have overages on it, so I can actually cut back on this plan and do really well with it. Right now, I pay $65, and I don't need to pay that. But you can see right here, this is the how much gigs I use and stuff like that on a daily basis. But it's pretty much, I've loved the service. There isn't anything out there cheaper that I found, or better, or faster. Now there is, if you want to spend a lot of money, but when you're on a budget, when you're out here living on a limited budget, it is definitely budget friendly, and it's really the only service. I couldn't find anything else where you can have not unlimited, but you can have really good internet service doing America's Great Loop, because I don't want to confuse anybody. That's what we're doing currently, and I've pretty much had good internet service on the entire loop with this. Now there's a few spots where it's gone out and got spotty. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and if you got any questions, please leave a comment down below. I do appreciate it.